Hello, Richard here from EagleSix Airsoft. We are going to be testing this TM MK46. This one has had the retro arms bushings installed. It's got the EagleSix upgraded down to reverse latch, the EagleSix spring. It's got 2 power spacers, and we've also installed so a hot rubber set on there. So we modified the original AEP one on there, and we've fit an R hop rubber on there, so the Psionic one, and we've got the upgraded Warhead motor in here, the Ronin one, the Ronin 45K. So so yeah, there's going to be a speed difference on this one. So yeah, so we've got all those installed, and we just wanted to demonstrate it working out. It's at 271 on 3.2s, and I've got 3.2s in the mag. There we go. So all tested working. We hope you enjoy. Any problems, but the rate of fire is definitely going some, but I'm quite enjoying it. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Yeah, we hope you enjoy it. Thank you.